Hi, hello friends, welcome to World Explorer India. November 14 is celebrated every year as World Diabetes Day on the occasion of discovery of insulin by Banting and Best. This year theme is access to diabetes care, if not now, when. Diabetes is a chronic disease that occurs when the pancreas is no longer able to make insulin or when the body cannot make good use of the insulin it produces. Diabetes is a chronic disease which can cause hyperglycemia. That means there is increased blood glucose levels. There are three types of diabetes. Type 1 diabetes, that is insulin dependent or childhood onset diabetes, in which there is no production of insulin by the pancreas and they are completely dependent on external insulin to survive. Type 2 diabetes is non-insulin dependent or adult onset diabetes. This is developed because of inactivity or excessive body weight, and it occurs in adults, and these persons can be managed with medication, exercise and insulin. Gestational diabetes is seen during the pregnancy, which can adversely affect the perinatal outcomes. Even if it is not controlled, it can progress to type 2 diabetes mellitus. Even the children can get type 2 diabetes mellitus. Causes of diabetes include obesity, sedentary lifestyle, physical inactivity, unhealthy lifestyles, high calorie intake and processed foods. Some of the key facts related to diabetes include: diabetes is the major cause for the blindness, kidney failure, heart attacks, stroke and lower limb amputation. Healthy diet, regular physical activity, maintaining normal body weight, avoiding tobacco will help to prevent or delay the onset of type 2 diabetes mellitus. Diabetes can be treated with diet management, physical activity, medication, regular screening for complications of diabetes. Lab investigations which ordered for diabetes include fasting blood sugar, postprandial blood sugar, HbA1c, C-peptide, insulin antibodies, etc. Complications of diabetes include diabetic ketoacidosis, diabetic retinopathy, macular edema, cataract, glaucoma, hypoglycemia, seizures, coma, infections, diabetic foot, leg ulcers, peripheral neuropathy, lower limb amputation, gingivitis, dental caries, periodontitis, increased cardiovascular risk like heart attack, hypertension, ischemic heart disease, hemorrhagic stroke, etc. CKD, ESRD, that is end-stage renal disease, albuminuria, there is a need for hemodialysis, etc. Psychological complications include worry, anxiety, premature mortality and financial burden. Prevention of diabetes is mainly focusing on maintaining healthy body weight, at least 30 minutes of exercise per day, avoidance of extra calories, processed foods, avoid sugar and unsaturated foods, avoid tobacco and tobacco related products, and there is a need for self-care for blood pressure monitoring or screening for retinopathy, kidney related changes, etc. Identify hypoglycemia with the symptoms of cold, clammy skin, sweating, headache, palpitations, nausea and anxiety. If sugar is up to 60 to 70, you can go for oral syrup, sugar syrup, honey, sugar candies, etc. If sugar is less than 60 or if you are going into unconscious stages, you may need administration of glucagon, either intramuscular or subcutaneous. If it's not available, you should go for dextrose 25% infusion. Usually it is better to get it administered in emergency department. The treatment of diabetes includes some of the medications such as metformin and sometimes insulin, and also diet management, exercise and the prevention of complications. Some of the recommendations by IDF for healthy diet for general population include: choose water, coffee or tea instead of fruit juice, soda or other sugar sweetened beverages. Eat at least 3 servings of vegetable per day. Eat up to 3 servings of fresh fruit every day. Choose nuts, a piece of fresh fruit instead of going for yogurt or snacks. Limit alcohol intake, limit tobacco intake. Choose peanut butter instead of chocolate spread or jam. Choose whole grain bread, rice, pasta instead of white bread, rice or pasta. Choose unsaturated fats like olive oil, canola oil, corn oil or sunflower oil instead of saturated fats such as butter, ghee, animal fat, coconut oil or palm oil, etc. Do like this video, subscribe and comment. Thank you.